Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary, fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers, my viewers, the comments. I'm so grateful. God bless you. You are really helping us grow and we are learning together. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much and welcome to Tasty and Fresh, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Guess what? Today, you can see from my scarf, I'm Kasajia. We are going to the north. Yes, we are preparing some TZs. Sure you understand. Zomunchi abinchi. Yes, this recipe was requested by one of my subscribers, Erica. I hope you are watching this. Enjoy, okay? Yes. So we are preparing DE3HUO Zaafi. Yes. I've shared already how I prepared my stew and my Ayoyo soup. So I'm going to teach how I do my DE3HUO. Very soft and fluffy. I hope you understand. Yes. So please don't go anywhere. Join me. Let's start from the beginning because the steps are very simple and it's so easy to prepare. So join me. Let's put everything together. Nangodi. So these are my basic ingredients for my DE3HUO Zaafi. Yeah. I have 2.5 cups of Kokonte flour. That's the dried cassava. Yes. And then I also have 2.5 cups of the corn flour. This one is dried corn flour. So I'm going to combine the two and mix them. So please just wait and look at how I'm doing it step by step. In my corn flour, I put everything in it, and then I also add my cassava flour. Yeah, this is tasty and fresh recipe. You understand? Okay, so I mix everything in my bowl. Yeah, 2.5. Yeah, I have sieved it. So I mix everything in my bowl, and then I add my water. This is about 500 ml. Yes, I will first add that amount and then mix everything like I'm doing for the normal bamboo.